Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial video, and today we're going to see another function problem where we have to take an input, a number, and from that number we have to calculate the total number of years, months and days as output. So let's see the example here. The input has been given 4330 and its output is 11 years, 10 months and 15 days. So let's try to visualize how we can do it. Let's say it has been given 4330. Okay, so we have to first get the years. So now how we can get the years? We can divide it in a 1 year equal to 365 days. Therefore, if we divide this number by 365, we can get our year. Then what we have to do is that after getting the year, we know we have to calculate the months and the days also, right? So to calculate the months and the days, what we have to do, we have to take the remainder of this division. After we get the remainder from this, we have to again divide this one by 30. After we divide it by 30, it will give us the months. And then if we want to find the days, we also again have to take the remainder from this. Actually, the remainder of this thing is actually the days. Now many of you might have confusion, like we have taken here 30, it can also be 31. Now for this problem we are just ignoring this, like we are not taking 31 into account, we are just only using 30 as for calculation. So let's just come here and do how, let's see how we can pseudocode it. So initially we'll take our input and equal to, let's say we have taken the input, and then we're going to pass the value to a function. Okay, let's say we have year. Okay, so we're going to now find the year value. So year equal to, let's say you have taken year 1 because this value will be the same, so let's keep a different variable name, year 1 equal to n by 365. Okay, now should we just take and divide by 365? Like if the value is 4330, then we will have a fraction value, and we know that we cannot have a fraction value. That's why we're going to take the floor value. That's why we have 2 here. We give double sign. In this way we are going to take the floor value. What we have to do, we have to take the remainder. So we are taking a remainder. Let's say remainder 1. Remainder 1 is n mod 365. In this way we are getting the remainder 1. Now we need to find the months. So for finding the month, we are going to write remainder 1 double 30, because we still again need to find the floor value because it might be in fractions. That's why we're going to take floor value, and then what will be the remainder of this part is the rest of the values, and that will be the days. So let's see, days equal to remainder 1 mod 30. So whatever the remainder we will get after this is actually the value of the days. So hopefully you understand the pseudocode. Now let's write the real code. We're going to take input and since it will be integer, now we're going to define a function find year, and we have to also call it in below. Okay, so now we're going to find the year, that is year equal to our parameter in here is, let's say, n, therefore n floor division 365. Okay, then we're going to store it in a temporary value, so tm, or let's say remainder 1 equal to n. We're going to do the mod 365. Okay, now we're going to do the month equal to remainder 1 floor division 30, and finally the day will be the remainder of remainder 1 mod 30. Now if we print these values here comma, now let's, if we print it, we have to print, okay, let's just print 4330. We get 11 years, 10 months and 15 days. For confirmation, let's say, if you want to confirm the values is correct or not, you can see 4330. Let's see, if we write here 4330, if we divide this value, so we have gotten 11, so 11 into 365, we get 4015. Now if we subtract this value, what do we get? We get 315. Okay, now we have to divide it by 30. Now we know we have found months as 10, so 10 into 30 equal to 300. So take here 300, if we subtract it we get 15. So 15 is the number of days, and we get 10 here and we got 11 here. This is the year and this is the month. Thus we can see that our answer that we have got is correct. Hope you understand the code. If you still have any kind of confusions, you can comment below or email me. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.